Yes.
So let's learn some strategies to solve reorder paragraph. The very first strategy is identify the topic sentence, followed by identify the references. Try to figure out pair of each sentence. Avoid in-depth reading. So let's talk about first how to identify the topic sentence. The first sentence of a paragraph is to establish a general view of the topic. So basically, in the topic sentence, you will get idea or overview of the topic. Clear? Followed
Yes.
by the rest of the paragraph. Like if you have a 4 or 5 sequence of the paragraph, you will get marking according to the pair. Okay. And for example, if one is the opening sentence or it is giving the overview, then rest of other paragraphs going to follow the same. Clear? So after that, the examples are not included in the opening sentence or the first sentence of the paragraph. For examples, here you can see there are many reasons why pollution in ABC town is the worst in the world. So in this statement, you can see the topic is pollution in ABC town is the worst in the world. And for that, controlling idea is many reasons. Clear? So do you have any question regarding this, or should I go for next?